what if your money worked harder than you do? Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your bank account, and seeing it grow without lifting a finger. Sounds impossible? It's not. In today's video, we're revealing 5 easy passive income ideas that can help you earn while you sleep. Whether you're dreaming of financial freedom or building steady income streams, this is where it starts. Ready to turn your dreams into dollars? Let's unpack this. 1. Investing in dividend stocks. Our first idea is investing in dividend stocks. This is a great way to earn money passively. You buy shares of companies that pay dividends, and over time, those payments can add up significantly. But here's the catch. Many people are scared to invest because they fear losing their hard-earned money. What if I told you there are strategies to minimize risks and maximize returns? Stick around. 2. Creating an online course. Next up is creating a first online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, why not share it? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create courses that can generate income long after you've put in the initial work. Just think, while you're sipping coffee, your course could be making money for you. Who knew coffee could be so lucrative? Now let's talk about something even easier: affiliate marketing. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. This method requires minimal upfront investment and can yield significant returns if done correctly. However, many shy away from it due to fear of rejection or not knowing how to market effectively. But what if I told you there are simple tools and strategies that can help you succeed without being a marketing guru? 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Our fourth idea is real estate crowdfunding. This allows you to invest in real estate projects without needing a lot of capital up front. You can earn rental income and benefit from property appreciation. Imagine being part of a community that helps build homes for families while earning money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Finally, let's explore a method that combines creativity with passive income: creating a faceless YouTube channel. 5. Faceless YouTube channels. Creating a faceless YouTube channel can be an exciting venture. By producing content without showing your face, you maintain privacy while potentially earning ad revenue. Many people fear they need to be charismatic on camera, but that's not true. Remember, even the camera shy can shine behind the scenes. Now that we've explored these 5 passive income ideas, it's time for action. Imagine looking back a year from now and seeing how far you've come financially. The urgency is real. Start today, before another year slips away. If you're eager to learn more about side hustles, check out my video where I tried 5 side hustles for 30 days. Click on the end screen now and take your first step toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Remember, the journey to passive income starts with one small step today. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you.